Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to generate PDF invoice and packing slip in WooCommerce. Actually, invoice will send to the customer email address and packing slip need to attach with the box or carton during to delivery the product. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to generate PDF invoice and packing slip with WooCommerce free add-on. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. Then let's get started. And if you want to edit the shop page, archive page, category page and cart page with Elementor free add-on, then you can check my previous video. Just go to my YouTube channel WP Handy, then check WooCommerce tutorial playlist, then you will get it. Now very fast go to the admin dashboard. That's why I have to install a WooCommerce free add-on. That's why hover on plugin and click on add plugin and search here PDF invoice. This is the add-on which I am going to use in this tutorial. You can see this is the PDF invoice and packing slip for WooCommerce. Just click over here, install now, then activate. After install and activating the add-on, you will be redirected to this area. This is the admin area and you can see, just scroll down and you can see where is our add-on. You can see this is the PDF invoice and packing slip for WooCommerce, which right now I have installed and activated. So if you click over here settings, then you will get the settings page for this add-on. And another way you can get it, just hover over on WooCommerce and you can see this is the PDF invoice. Just click over here, then you will get the add-on settings page. Okay, this is the add-on settings page and you can see it has some tab: general documents, taxes, advanced and update. So very fast I have to configure this tab general, and you can see how do you want to view PDF, and you can see in the right side this is an invoice PDF example actually. Okay, so how do you want to view the PDF? Open the PDF in a new browser or tab. Definitely I want it. Then the paper size, I think A4 is the perfect. Then the simple, if you click here and you can see for the free version only one template is available, so you have to select it and it's must. And test mode, it will be unchecked. Scroll down, shop information. Actually already I have given the shop logo. Just click here, remove this image and you can set again, just set image. Then you can upload from here, file upload, or if available then you can add from the media library. Already I have uploaded this logo, so I can check it from here, and from the right side bottom set the image. Okay, then the shop name, you have to give the shop name. I have given WP Handy Sports Shop. This is my shop name and this is the address, so you can check it in. Actually it's not mandatory. If you want then you can give it or you can keep it blank. And shop country I have given it. Okay, you can see. So actually if you read it then you will be easily understand. Then the VAT number, you can give your VAT number. Actually I don't have any VAT number for the shop, that's why I keep it blank. Then the shop commerce number and phone number, this is a dummy phone number and this is the dummy email address. Actually you have to give your own phone number and email address. Okay, then scroll on, you can see this is the actually advanced formatting. Okay, you have to check this box, extended currency symbol support. That means if you don't check this box then it will not work for the all currency, it will work only for the dollar. Okay, so you have to check this box and it's very important. From the advanced formatting you have to check this box, and if you want then you can give this information or you can keep it blank, and then save changes from the bottom. Okay, then again scroll up, then you have to navigate to the another tab. Okay, you can see this is the document. Actually just click here document, this tab will be open and you have to configure it from here. And then you can see PDF and very fast invoice. So you have to, if you click over here then packing slip and invoice. Actually very fast I want to configure invoice, so this is the invoice and PDF. You have to enable it. Definitely I will enable the PDF and you can see attached. Actually when you want to generate or when you want to send the invoice, okay, actually when the order will be completed then I want to send invoice to the customer, so I have checked this box. Okay, and it will be perfect I think, so you can do it. Then the disable for, I want to keep it blank and allow my account invoice, and you can see document details. Actually email address actually I want to give it, that's why I have checked this box. Just check, and who is needed you can give it or you can keep it blank or default. Okay, so only when different from billing address, actually most of the time billing address and shipping address are same, but sometimes it can be different. So you can select this box only when different from the billing address. Okay, invoice number, it's perfect, and the number format prefix, actually I have given WP Handy shop, so if you want then you can give here shop name as a prefix. Okay, and it's okay as a default. And you can see reset invoice number yearly. Yes, I want to reset yearly or yearly, and it's okay. Again, save changes. And from the right side you can see this is the example or demo invoice. Okay, so far I think it works perfectly. Then just navigate, you have to configure the packing slip. So this is the invoice, and again click over here, then select packing slip, and you have to configure it from here. Okay, this is the PDF. It's okay actually attached. If you want then you have to select it and display email address, phone number. Actually no, I don't want to give the email address with the packing slip actually, that's why it need to attach with the box or the carton. So email address is no needed, and the phone number is okay for it. Okay, and billing address is I want to show the billing address here, then the save changes. Okay, then again scroll up and you can see this is the taxes. Actually I don't have taxes information for the shop. If you have then you can add from here. Then the advanced, actually you do not need to work here. Actually this is the system information. Okay, now go to the website and try to make your order. Okay, just reload this website and open a product. This is a product, so refresh it and try to make your order. Okay, you can see this is a product. Blazer is $64.95, and you can see already I have added some extra option. So if you want to add this type of extra option or custom field in product page, then you can check my previous video. Okay, now just check and make an order. Okay, then the add to cart, then the view cart, it's okay. Then the process to check out. You can see this is the shipping information. This is email address where I want to receive my PDF or email. Okay, and it's okay. Okay, I select this cash on delivery. Now I can place order from here. Just click and place the order. Okay, you can see the order is placed. Now I have to approve it manually from the admin dashboard. So go to the admin dashboard, and this is the WooCommerce order. Okay, you can see this is the order only 23 seconds ago, and it's processing. Click this order number and then it will open. Then you have to approve it manually. That's why I have used the cash on delivery. Okay, processing, then the select and complete it, then the update. Scroll down and you can see in right side bottom you can see create PDF invoice is ready, and PDF pick slip. If you click over here, then it will open new tab. Okay, you can see it's loading. Okay, you can see this is the invoice. As an admin I can see it. Again go to here and PDF packing slip, just click over here, then the packing slip will open. Okay, so you can see it was found. Now I go to my email where I have used to as a customer. Okay, you can see as a customer I have received 2 email. Just click and check it. This is the order. Thank you for your order. Then another mail is, again go to here and you can see order is completed. The order from the WP Handy e-commerce is away, and you can see scroll down and you can see this is the PDF invoice. Okay, so as a customer I have received this invoice from the website where I have created order. So I hope this video will help you so much, and I have request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.